How to change alert on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to change alert on TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on a laptop device. Once you open up the TradingView, now look at the top of your screen where you can see the option for alert. Click on it. Once you click on it, now tap on notification. Once you click on notification, scroll down, you can see the option for play and audio queue. Click on this menu icon over here. Once you click on it, you will be provided with multiple options over here. Choose it according to your preference. Once you choose it, now just simply tap on create. After you tap on create, your alert will be changed. And that's it guys. That's how we're gonna change an alert on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.